Hey, you guys, and welcome back to Homeschool for Life. So today I have to take my homeschoolers to get their yearly checkup. Abby was doing a 7-year-old and Ava a 9-year-old checkup. After that, they did the whole little physical that they do just to make sure that they were healthy and everything came out good, except they were like, Abby needs some glasses. So I didn't waste any time. I took her straight to the eye doctor, filled out the paperwork, and then she started to try on some glasses in the event that she actually does need some. And so this was really, really fun for her because she's been dying for glasses for whatever reason. So I guess she done spoke this into existence. After that, they called her to the back within a couple of minutes, asked her some basic questions, and then the doctor came into the room.
OTZ. Can you still see it, or is it worse? It's worse.
Turns out she needed glasses, and they were like, come back in 2 weeks. So 2 weeks later, we went right back because, I do not play about my kids and their health. And so we marched straight to the desk. They didn't really have any wait. So as soon as she sat down, she went to the back and came back with her glasses. These are the ones that Abby decided to pick out. They're like a ruby red, pinkish color, and she really liked them. So I know some of you homeschool moms do not assign your kids grade. I actually do assign my kids grades because every time they go to a doctor appointment, dental appointment, whatever, they're always asking them what grade they're in right after how old they are. And I don't want my kids not to have an answer. So yes, I do assign my homeschooler grades, but you guys could do whatever you feel comfortable with. After that, we headed to our P.O. box. If you guys want to send us something, we have that link below. And then you guys know at our homeschool, we celebrate everything. So I took them to Olive Garden so that we can celebrate Abby's first time getting glasses. Now, if this is your first time here, be sure to follow. And if you're looking for homeschool ID cards, go to avbhomeschool.com. And also, if you're looking for the kids' free chore list, you could find it there also.